Hi Pack, welcome back. And for today's video we are making
strawberry cheesecake cookie crumble cookies. That's a long ass name.
She's making it into
Hi guys.
I'm gonna beat you up.
It's fine guys.
You guys are like light.
Just set up.
Set up.
You know?
Okay.
My fault gang, my fault.
Okay.
My fault gang, my fault.
Okay, so yeah, she's making it like a tongue twister, but it's just simple. Strawberry cheesecake crumble cookies. You said strawberry crumble cookie crumbles.
Wait, what? Strawberry
We'll watch it back.
cheesecake cookie crumble cookies.
See, that's what you said.
Okay, so she knows the recipe, I don't, so she's gonna have to walk me through it.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you all a video. We're both gonna get on this side. So this is where we're
that you've been lying.
So what we're gonna start off with is making the cookie crumble topping, and you need some Oreos, white Oreos, 1/2 of butter, which right now we'll put that to melt, and then strawberry jello. So yeah.
Strawberry jello and cookies?
And you're just using the powder. You just...
Wouldn't it make it jelly?
No, right? I'll show you right now. I know, I didn't understand that either. Okay, so do you want to melt it or do you want to crumble them?
I'll come with this.
Okay. So, now let me make sure we're both... Okay, so now I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag. What should I do?
What? No, put it in
the blender?
Put it in the blender, yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the blender. Now that that's all crushed, we're gonna go ahead and open up the jello. Over here, that way you guys can see. We're gonna open this up. Oh, it smells good. I don't like jello, but I like the smell of it. Now add the butter.
You don't like jello? It does smell really good.
Bless you. And thank you for recording the beautiful sound of ASMR.
Uh-oh, technical difficulties.
Okay, crush. Crush.
Where? Look at my slippers. Well, they're not mine. They're my sister's, but you know. They're on my feet, so.
Okay. So now, you know, you can make it cute and like really put it in there, but I'm good. So that would be a very dumb idea. Okay. Oh, you put your tongue all over it.
What?
Nasty. Let's go nasty. I needed the spoon. Okay. So once you get like a paste, it looks like toothpaste, pink toothpaste. You can grab another spoon and you can like, well, should we wait and see if it's enough to fill up this time?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with this corner. That way it adds some weight, you know?
Spread it?
Yeah, you're supposed to flatten it. Because we gotta bake it for 7 to 8 minutes.
So then put all of it on it, and then after you're done, spread it out. Oh, I'll just go this way. Ow!
You okay?
Should I do something with that?
What?
With the bowl and the cake mix?
Yeah, she's gonna start mixing the cake mix. I'm gonna do this fast.
We're gonna be oh my god. We're gonna be using strawberry cake mix. You're supposed to use that, but you want to jazz it up a bit, you can.
Right here.
Huh?
Let me see. Can they see you? They can see you. You're actually fine right there.
Okay.
Where you were. That is bomb.
I know, right?
Thank you, Jenna, for
It
giving
says-
us this shrimp thing.
It says 3 eggs, but we have 2. Did I get another one?
They said to add 2. That's why I got 2.
Okay, that's one.
Here you go.
You should know what a carving egg is like.
I know. But I think it's because it needs to be like a doughy consistency because they well, we have to bake it so it gets a little crunchy and then we're going to break it again. So,
Should we add another one though? Because it's kind of big.
another what?
Like, should we flatten that out by getting another pan?
What's already in here?
Okay.
Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, Sienna's going to put a timer for 7 to 8 minutes. And I didn't record this part while I was waiting for Sienna. I went ahead and grabbed some cheesecake and rolled it into balls. That way when we make when she's done making the batter, we put it in the thing, grab a cheesecake thing, and then put some more cake on top.
That was really fun.
And I put it in the freezer, that way when it's in the oven, it melts. So yeah. Okay,
Guys,
so
there's 2 minutes left.
this is the pan.
Wait, what was this for?
Where was in the oven?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
See, yeah.
Okay, we could grab this with our hands.
How?
Okay, so we're gonna grab this with our hands. But if you didn't wash your hands, you know, wash your hands. Sorry, guys.
Wait, we're supposed to be doing what? I wash my hands right now, but what?
We're gonna grab it and put
Make
it.
like little,
It's
a little bit smaller, because we want like, you know, kind of enough for everybody.
It's because.
Well, we can always work that out.
So we're gonna get the ball and put it in there. It's because it needs to be enough like that. I'll show y'all right now. Oh, that was a dumb idea. Okay, never mind. Let me put it back. Let me just do this. Okay, so it's sliding, but this is the cookie. If anything, we could do this with chocolate cake. We have chocolate.
Oh my god, imagine that. Like a chocolate chip cookie and like put like Nutella inside.
If you guys want a part 2, let us know. We have vanilla though.
Okay. Honestly, probably be our last one. Your secret cupcakes?
You want one?
Hell yeah, I do.
Okay, now it's our secret, okay?
Okay, I won't tell no one.
Not even Jenna knows, okay?
Okay.
Here you go. Right.
Okay.
I'll put it right here. Okay, guys. So we're back, and
So we tried to make the crumble when we put butter and like all the cookies and the gelatin, and that turned bad. Like it didn't even harden or anything.
but it's good though.
Yeah, so we were just picking at it. That's why it was that. But
We put it in the freezer, so if you want like a Jolly Rancher, a fruit roll up, you know.
that can be another video, maybe.
Yeah.
So we made another batch, and this is just cookies and the gelatin.
Yeah, no butter.
Yeah, we didn't add any butter. So.
Now I'm gonna show you guys how the cookies. I'm not gonna show those small pans because
So those are it. Oh shit. Looks super cute. What did I say today?
Yeah, like it's Mexican sugar cookies pretty much,
Yeah.
but it doesn't look how you guys cookies look. Like American cookies.
Why do I laugh like that?
Okay,
Yeah.
so now, put your password while I do this. That way I can show like the process. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a baby cup, put a bag over it. You know, cause who got time to? You can record the. So we're gonna grab some cream cheese frosting, and I'm going to put it inside the bag. We're gonna probably use all of it because we have a fair amount of cookies. Sienna cracks me up sometimes, you know? You ever have that sibling that just is like ironically stupid sometimes? That's Sienna. Good job.
Oh, we gotta mute the sound.
Oh, well, I'll do that when we edit it.
So this is Angie's little piping hack for using Vanelli's cup.
Yeah. Okay. So now what you do is you.
Have you done this before?
Yeah. When I made my pumpkin spice cookies, you didn't come over here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was knocked out too. Okay, so now you go ahead and tie this. Depending on how much icing you're gonna use a bigger bag. Don't be dumb. Respectfully. Okay, so now you know you just cut it and you have a bag.
Made.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so you know, get y'all a little more closer. Up in action. Don't mind that. That's over there. That's from us eating earlier. Mommy made some bomb food. Some baked potatoes. I ate my third while we took a long break, you know? But yeah.
That's okay, right?
Okay. Now for TikTok, link in the description. Okay, now we break it. Which one should we break?
Shit. Okay. This one. This one. Ready? Wait, I don't want to get that. And
Okay, here you go.
oh my god. Okay.
No. Okay.
Can I see this? No.
Try.
Okay, ready? That's that's good. Oh my god. Yeah, you guys need to try this. And it has like a little like sour taste. Does it?
I think that's the Jello.
This is really good.
You just see you eating your cookie.
This is really good.
It is bomb.
Like there's like cream cheese right there too.
It's cheesecake.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more videos like this or all our other videos, comment video ideas down below. Thank you. Hope like, comment, subscribe.